Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn English subject. Lesson number 1, unit number 2, 2.1. Poem name is Rain. Okay, this is your textbook page. Unit number 2, lesson number 1. Here is a poem, Rain. Okay, and this is textbook page, page number 14. You should open your page. Look here. We can see the picture. It's a picture of raining. And we can see everywhere raining. Okay. First, we will sing the poem. The rain is falling all around. It falls on the field and tree. It rains on the umbrellas here and on the ships at sea. Okay, this poem tells us that where is raining or where the rain is falling. Okay, now we can see here. Here are trees. Okay, these are trees and rain falls on the trees also. We can see the fields, farms. Okay, it's a farms and we can call as field also. It's a fields and the rain is falls on the fields also, falls on the fields also. We can see here sheep. What is it? It's a sheep. And look, here is also raining. Okay, now this sheep is at the sea and on the sheep the rain is falling. We can see here umbrellas. What is here? Umbrellas. And here also rain. Here is also raining. Okay, now we can see the clouds. It's clouds from where the rain is falling. Okay, from the cloud the rain is falling. Okay, I hope you understood this poem which I explained. Okay, here are some words. First word is here rain. First word is rain. R-A-I-N. Rain. R-A-I-N. Rain. Then we can see here second word falling. F-A-L-L-I-N-G. Falling. F-A-L-L-I-N-G. Falling. Next word is around. A-R-O-U-N-D. A-R-O-U-N-D. Around. Then field. F-I-E-L-D. Field. F-I-E-L-D. Field. Then tree. T-R-E-E-E. Sorry, T-R-E-E. Tree. T-R-E-E. Tree. Then umbrella. U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A. Umbrella. U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A. Umbrella. Next word is sheep. S-H-I-P. Sheep. S-H-I-P. Sheep. Then last word is here sea. S-E-A. Sea. S-E-A. Sea. Okay. Here are new words from the poem. Okay. And these words you have to write 5 times in your English notebook. Now look here. Here are question and answers. First question is name the things that you can see in the picture. And answer is we can see fields, trees, clouds, umbrellas, rain and sheep. Okay, now second question. Where does the rain fall? Answer. Rain is falling all around means on the fields, trees, umbrellas and on the sheeps. Question third. Where do you see the sheep? आपने sheep कहाँ देखा? We have seen the sheep at the sea. कहाँ था sheep? At the sea. Okay. So today we have learned the poem Rain. In this poem we have seen the picture of rainy season. Is it not? This is rainy season. And today's homework is learn and write this poem Rain and also these words. Okay. So thank you. Bye.